Elementor doesn't come with a style theme during installation, so let's get started on how you can officially install the Hello Elementor style theme. Let's begin. So we need to go to first google.com and then search Hello Elementor style theme. Then their official Elementor GitHub link will come appear. Just click on this, and after clicking that you need to click on code and again click download the zip file, and it will be downloaded in your computer like this. And now we need to back our WordPress admin dashboard and click on appearance and theme, and here you can see I have just one theme, which is main parent theme Hello Elementor. And so I'll install Hello Elementor style theme now. Click add new theme, click upload theme, just choose file or drag the file in here, file in here, so then it will be selected, and then click install now, and then click activate. Finally it will be activated. Now you can see this is showing as activated, but no problem. If your style theme is activated, your parent theme also will be activated in the same time. So this is how you can install officially from Elementor Pro of their style theme. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.